To use Credit.com free credit score, start by visiting the Credit.com website and clicking on the Get Your Free Credit Score button. You will be asked to provide some personal information, including your name, address, and social security number, to verify your identity. Once you have entered your information, you will be taken to a page where you can view your credit score and report. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that ranges from 300 to 850. With higher scores indicating better credit, the credit report will show your credit history, including any late payments, accounts sent to collections, and credit inquiries. You can use this information to identify areas where you can improve your credit score. One of the key concepts to understand when using Credit.com is the credit score range. Credit scores are typically categorized as excellent, good, fair, or poor, with excellent scores being above 750 and poor scores being below 600. To improve your credit score, focus on making on-time payments, keeping credit utilization below 30%, and avoiding new credit inquiries. You can also use the Credit Score Simulator tool on Credit.com to see how different actions may affect your credit score. For example, if you have a credit score of 700 and you pay off $1,000 of debt, the simulator can show you how much your score may increase. Best practices for using Credit.com include checking your credit score regularly, monitoring your credit report for errors, and using the educational resources provided on the website to learn more about credit and personal finance. By following these steps and using the tools provided by Credit.com, you can take control of your credit and make informed decisions about your financial future. Remember to always monitor your credit report and score regularly to ensure your credit remains healthy.